So this is where I land with Warlock in Midnight. There are good ideas here, there's history here, and there's clear intent, but it doesn't feel fully committed. The class tree feels like it's replacing things we've lost, rather than pushing the class forward. The Blights vs Amplify Curse is a fantastic example of that. This doesn't feel like Blizzard doesn't care, it just feels like Blizzard hasn't quite decided what Warlock is supposed to be. And until they do, these choices will feel awkward or redundant instead of expressive. In the next videos, we'll break down spec by spec what this means, especially for Affliction. But at a class level, Warlock feels frustratingly close and unfair.